Okay, so I'll be showing you how to do principal component analysis in Stata. The dataset is Beer Spring 2013. So the first thing is to copy this dataset to Stata. So you just do Control A, you do Control C, and just paste it into Stata's data editor. It asks if the first row is data or variable names. So keep as variable names, and that's it. We'll first do the correlation matrix of the various attributes, and you get that by going to statistics and summaries and summary and descriptive statistics to correlations. So it asks for the variable names. You go to the drop down and you just click on the various variable names one by one. Common, light body, formal, inexpensive, strong, complex, sweet, and just click OK, and that's it. Then we need to find out the eigenvalues for this particular correlation matrix. For that, we go to statistics and multivariate analysis and do the factor in PCA. You get PCA, and for here they want you to put the variable names as before. Let's put in the variable names one by one. Body, expensive, strong, complex, and sweet. Okay, it gives you the eigenvalues. To understand these things, then we need to find out the scree plot. To get the scree plot, we go back to multivariate analysis and go to factor in PCA, post estimation. You find scree plot of eigenvalues. So here they ask you if you have to obtain eigenvalues from a previous command. Since we've already done that, let it be and click on OK, and it gives us a scree plot. After this, we go to find out the factor plots. So again, we are back to multivariate analysis and factor in PCA, post estimation. We go to the loading plot. Factor loading plot is given here. So it asks for the number of components. You can give whatever you want, depending on your needs, 2, 3. I give 2 here. It makes the graphical representation easy. On x-axis, here you can write component 1, component 2, and give OK, and gives the component loadings. The next thing what we do is to find out the predicted values from this model, and for that Stata has a generic command where you go to post estimation and do the prediction residuals. Depending on how many variables you want to be predicted, you give the number of variables. I give PC1, PC2, and click on OK. Right. If you see on the right, the variables have then been predicted and come on the right as PC1 and PC2. You can see them in the data editor, where this are the predicted values. Now we need to verify, we need to group them by their individual beers. So that is done by going to statistics and summaries and means. So Stata has this option of grouping over a particular variable. So since here we need the predicted values to be grouped over the beers, we just give the value, give the variable names, just PC1 and PC2, and we have this in over button and the option of group. So here we want to be group over beer. So we do that and click OK, and that's it. So these are the means and standard errors and confidence intervals of over PR1, and it also shows you which are the bears. PR1 equal to, okay. Now the individual bears are listed in the data set in the index. So as you can see, PR1 is Heineken, PR2 is Gordon Brown, P is pyramid. Right.